Hey guys, welcome back to Boo's Kitchen. Today we are making my favorite lactose-free fluffy chocolate chip cookies. In a medium mixing bowl, start by measuring out 2 1/4 cups of flour. I recommend scooping the flour into the measuring cup with a spoon because it is a bit more accurate than just scooping the flour with the measuring cup. Too much flour can most definitely affect the outcome of the cookies. Next, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to the bowl. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of salt to the bowl. Now that the dry ingredients are in the bowl, go ahead and give that a good whisk, then set aside. Moving on, add a cup of packed brown sugar to your stand mixer bowl. If you don't have a stand mixer, no worries, you can just use another mixing bowl. Now we are going to add a 1/4 cup of butter to the bowl. The butter I use is lactose free and the brand is Green Valley. Again, if you don't have a stand mixer, you can use a hand mixer. Go ahead and cream together the butter and sugar until light and fluffy. Next, I'm going to add in 3 large eggs, one at a time, beating in completely after each addition. Also, no worries if you get the eggshell in there, it happens sometimes. Just make sure to get the shells out. After the eggs are done mixing, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix until combined. Now we will slowly add in the flour mixture. Just beat it on a low speed until just combined. Always give your bowl a good wipe down to ensure all the ingredients are fully mixed together. Now we will mix in 1 cup of chocolate chips to the bowl. I use any vegan or plant-based chocolate chips. I normally get mine from Trader Joe's, but you can also get them from any store. Cover and put in the refrigerator for an hour. Now that the hour is up, preheat your oven to 375 and line your baking sheet with parchment paper. We are going to drop tablespoon-sized cookie dough balls onto the sheet. No need to roll the dough. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown around the edges and the middles are set. Make sure to cool on the baking sheet completely before you put them away. Thank you for watching my videos and enjoy your cookies and your day.